Shandong Xinhai Mining Technology and Equipment Inc. is committed to providing intelligent, efficient and high-quality overall mine construction and operation solutions for global customers, striving to build modern smart mines with substantial benefits. Xinhai's business scope has spread worldwide. So far, Xinhai has served nearly 2,000 mines, and completed over 500 mine EPC+M+O projects, with mining and processing experience of more than 70 kinds of minerals. Its products are exported to more than 100 countries and regions with broad domestic and foreign market. For a long time, the construction process of general mineral processing plants at home and abroad generally has the disadvantages of copying design plans, focusing on equipment price rather than quality, and lacking installation experience. These current situations have led to three common problems in the development of mining projects at home and abroad: excessive investment, delayed construction periods and difficulty in meeting optimal ROI. In response to the above industry pain points, Xinhai has proposed targeted mining solutions, Mine EPC+M+O service. Xinhai takes into account all aspects of mine construction, attaches importance to mine design research, and uses innovative thinking to tailor reasonable technical solutions and high-quality equipment for each mine. It strictly carries out installation and commissioning in accordance with the preliminary design plan, to ensure that the project reaches the target and production according to the budget investment and planned construction period, and provides mine management and mine operation services, to maximize the benefits of the mine. Xinhai Mine EPC+M+O service including mine engineering, complete equipment manufacturing and procurement, mine construction and commissioning, mine construction management, and mine operation management. With innovative thinking, Xinhai provides one-stop customized services for mining, processing, and tailings projects including engineering consulting, experimental research and mine design. Xinhai Mining Research Institute has passed the CNAS International Certification, and can provide accurate detection and analysis reports and professional mineral processing test reports for more than 70 kinds of minerals. Xinhai always adheres to an innovative concept, creating customized technical solutions for each mine. Xinhai Comprehensive Utilization of Minerals Test and Pilot Center covers an area of about 2,000 square meters. It is equipped with facilities for conducting small-scale tests and semi-continuous industrial tests, as well as a postdoctoral mobile workstation. It is a first-class mineral processing research base at home and abroad. The mine design is undertaken by a Mine Design Institute with Class B design qualification in the metallurgical industry, and can be designed according to Chinese industry standards, Australian GORC standards, Valmin specifications and Canadian NI 43-101 standards. In land intensification and intelligent mining, Xinhai has innovative ideas and practices. Using SolidWorks 3D design software and PDM design management system, Xinhai can carry out 3D design of conventional or dressing plants, mobile or dressing plants and combined steel structure production lines, and ensure that the final design plan is executable and feasible. Xinhai can also provide design for project reporting and approval according to customer needs, and use AR technology, VR technology, naked eye 3D technology, 3D roaming in 720 panoramic technology for plant display. Xinhai focuses on improving equipment R&D and manufacturing capabilities, and can manufacture and procure equipment required for mining, processing and tailings projects. Xinhai has a product R&D center, a smart high-end equipment production center, an automated intelligent product R&D and manufacturing base, a supersonic vortex machine and dry magnetic separation equipment R&D and manufacturing base, and a wear-resistant rubber technology and product R&D and manufacturing base. Xinhai Product R&D Center has deeply optimized and innovatively improved more than 80% of common mining equipment, and successfully applied for more than 200 patents. Now it has launched industry-university research cooperation with many well-known universities and scientific research institutions such as China University of Mining and Technology, Wuhan University of Technology, and Northeastern University, to carry out equipment research and development. Xinhai's intelligent mine equipment production plant covers an area of about 110,000 square meters. The factory is equipped with large, medium and small processing equipment such as 200-ton cranes, 8-meter CNC double-column vertical lathes, and 100-ton CNC floor-standing milling and boring machines. It can produce large mining machinery such as ball mills with a diameter of less than 7 meters, and provide a full set of main and auxiliary equipment for mining production with a scale of less than 50,000 tons/day. Xinhai has passed the EU CE certification, Canadian CSA Enterprise certification, ISO 9001:2015 International Quality Management System certification, and High-Tech Enterprise certification, can manufacture and produce according to international standards. Xinhai has established a dedicated department to optimize and upgrade the production process. The Production Technology Center scientifically deconstructs the original production workflow, achieving standardization and controllability in the manufacturing process. The Production Management Center leverages digital production and scheduling controls to monitor production progress in real time, optimize resource allocation, and ensure production efficiency and product quality. Based on a mature and complete procurement management system, Xinhai can purchase equipment and materials required for mining engineering construction, and mining and processing operations for customers, providing strong guarantees for customers' mine construction. Xinhai has a complete packaging and shipping management system, capable of handling large-scale project shipments worth billions. The goods are managed by numbering system to avoid missing and wrong shipments. Xinhai use a variety of packaging forms to prevent equipment damage during transportation. According to the general construction drawing, carrying out cargo unloading design, to avoid secondary handling and hoisting. Xinhai strictly controls every aspect of delivery, to ensure that the equipment can arrive at the project site intact, safely and orderly, ensuring the smooth progress of the project. Xinhai can provide mining engineering, or dressing plant and tailings pond civil construction, plant construction, equipment installation and commissioning, technical training and other services. Xinhai has the first-class qualification for general contracting of mining engineering construction, which is an important qualification in the field of mining construction in China. Xinhai has high-level professional technology and management capabilities in the field of mining engineering. It has sufficient strength to undertake large and complex mining engineering projects. It can undertake the construction of various mining engineering projects, such as mining engineering, or dressing plant engineering, tailings pond engineering, etc. Xinhai's construction, installation and commissioning teams have more than 10 years of on-site work experience at home and abroad, and have the strong ability to undertake more than 25 installation and commissioning projects at the same time, to ensure the stable operation of the mine. Through technical training, equipment operation training, production management training, to help customers build their own technical team. At present, Xinhai has achieved the goal of reaching the target of production on schedule for many mining projects, and has won numerous prizes. Among them, the 2 million TPA lithium project in Zimbabwe undertaken by Xinhai has a cumulative shipment volume of 1.7 billion pieces, and was officially put into production in just 1 year, becoming a new model for the development of mining in Africa. Xinhai can provide full management services for mine construction, including project management, construction management, safety management and other aspects. Xinhai has the ability to manage all aspects of the entire mine construction period. It adopts the EPC+M general contracting management model, and provides management services from project survey, feasibility study, material and equipment procurement to construction. According to customer needs, Xinhai can provide comprehensive operation and management services for mining engineering, or dressing plant and tailings pond after completion in various cooperation modes. Relying on a large team of experts and rich experience in mine production and operation management, Xinhai's operation services can cover all aspects including production and operation management, equipment operation management, safety operation management, environmental operation management, human resources management and financial management. By integrating advanced technologies and management models, the efficiency and economic benefits of mine production and operation can be improved. Xinhai has gathered a complete service team of each chain, focusing on the professional and institutionalized service of the whole chain of EPC+M+O. With the cooperation of many professional subsidiary teams, it provides strong support for the realization of Xinhai's EPC+M+O intelligent mining service standards. In the future, Xinhai will continue to tailor technical solutions for every mine in the world with innovative thinking, provide more customers with professional mine EPC+M+O service, and create a modern intelligent mine with rich benefits.